Morning, Bright Eyes. You're in early.
Fives.
You're huggable as a porcupine, Sipowicz, but you got an admirable work ethic.
Thanks, Sarge.
Permission aboard, Colonel.
Douchebag.
Yeah, I was gonna mention that there's something wrong with your bird.
Douchebag.
It's been saying that ever since I got in, loud.
I don't know where it could have got it from. 15 squad, Sergeant Gibson.
Douchebag.
Nothing, Inspector.
Douchebag.
That was nothing. Uh-huh. Thanks, Inspector. DOA 4884 site. I'll call the others.
Gibson, we got crime victims that come in here.
Those assholes on night watch, Boyce and Dabrowski. They probably sat in here all night chanting this.
Crime victims on the worst day of their life, giving statements of items stolen from their home or descriptions of loved ones that went missing or worse. They gotta be called douchebag by a bird. You don't think we'll get complaints?
You know, the voice of that sounds an awful lot like you, Sipowicz.
All right, now you're getting paranoid.